How to remove background in CapCut mobile app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Insert your video or picture you want to remove background of. Then, click on your video on the timeline and scroll to the left. Click on Cut Out. After you click on Cut Out, click on Remove Background. Click on Cut out stroke if you want to do it on your own. If not, as you can see, background has been removed. Another thing, click on chroma key. After you click on chroma key, click on color picker and choose the color you want to remove background from. In my case, it's green. After selected, click on intensity and adjust your intensity as you want. After that, you're good to go. This is how to remove background in CapCut mobile app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.